Stop using nulls. It is not a good practice. We suggest having null in a language to be a poor decision. Using null in programming language can lead to several issues that can complicate code maintenance, readability, and robustness. Reasons to avoid null in Java. Null pointer exception is one of the reasons. The most common issue with null is the dreaded null pointer exception, which occurs when you attempt to call a method or access a property on a null reference. Null pointer exception can be difficult to debug and can lead to application crashes if not handled properly.
Code readability and maintenance is another reason we should avoid null. Code that frequently checks for null values can become cluttered and harder to read. Excessive null checks can obscure the actual business logic, making the code less maintainable.
Ambiguity in meaning is another reason null is confusing. It doesn't reveal any intent. Does it mean unknown, not applicable, or empty? This lack of clarity leads to mistakes. The absence of meaning forces developers to make assumptions, and assumptions are the breeding ground for bugs. Implicit contracts is another reason. When a method can return null, it creates an implicit contract that the caller must be aware of and handle appropriately. This implicit contract is not always clear from the method's signature, leading to potential misuse and bugs. The presence of null forces developers to add boilerplate null checks throughout their code. These checks clutter the codebase and make it harder to maintain. It's like wrapping every line of logic in wrap, just in case something might break.
That's it for today. Using null is a dangerous practice. While it was useful once, its downsides are far greater. Using techniques like NULL Object Pattern, optional types, and fail-fast validation, you can write safer and cleaner code. Please follow our channel, Know Your Code, for more such content on Java, Python, SQL, Cloud, any certifications, IT architecture design, and